When you fly, how do you like to take off? Like this? Or do you want proof that the pilot is well trained and that instruments are working correctly so you can relax? Similarly, when you buy a new lab instrument, you have a choice about how you begin your journey, and it's best to have assurance that your takeoff will be smooth. METTLER TOLEDO service experts do just that. They make sure that your instrument is set up correctly right from the start. When you choose METTLER TOLEDO installation and qualification, your instrument is released to routine operation quickly, ready to provide you with accuracy, traceability, and the ease of compliance. Initial employee training helps you produce quality measurement day one. But after smooth takeoff, what about the flight? Do you like to fly blind? Avoid flying blind by making sure your measurement accuracy is within your process tolerance at every point in your instrument's lifecycle. With regular calibration and a customized risk-based routine testing plan, you confirm that what you see is what you get. This ongoing assurance means you can avoid waste, reduce or eliminate quality issues, produce airtight traceability, and always be ready to pass audits. And what about turbulence? How do you handle the unexpected? Instruments are used in the real world, where environmental elements and normal wear and tear influence instrument performance and reliability. Our preventive maintenance and service plans, called care packages, also give you the ability to pre-plan. By budgeting for regular service visits, you have the power to maintain instruments performance and maximize equipment lifetime much more easily. So get ready for your journey. METTLER TOLEDO service experts are here for you with a comprehensive set of services that can ensure a lifetime of measurement accuracy right from the start. We wish you a great flight.